If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not opening problem, you've come to the right place. So first I'm going to show you that everything is working as for me. I can easily send snaps, do some other stuff, chat with my friends. So how can you do the same? How can you fix this problem? Because I had this problem maybe 1 hour ago. So in order to fix it, we first need to close the app, close the Snapchat, and then make sure you have the internet connection because it's like the most common reason why people can't use Snapchat. Then we need to open App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type, and then just search for Snapchat right up here. Make sure that you have the latest version, so if you have update button, update Snapchat to the latest version, because sometimes they do not support the latest version, the last version of Snapchat, not the last, basically, old version, sorry. And then we need to open settings. On the Android it may look a little bit different, but as for us, we need to scroll down to find all the apps, and here we need to search for Snapchat. Then make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on because it's like the most important setting on Snapchat. As you can see, you can also try to make all the settings the same as I have. Maybe this is the reason why it can't open the Snapchat app. So after that, we'll be able to open the Snapchat. But if it's not working, the last thing we can do is just to simply delete the app and then just re-upload it as for our computer, for our device. And after that, hopefully this problem will be solved as for you. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.